Hey, the new Disney Skyliner's open. What do you say we go take a ride on the handicapped side? Okay, so the Disney Skyliner has already been open for almost a week, and you've all seen your favorite YouTubers, and I mean all your favorite YouTubers, showing you what the ride is like. But we're going to go someplace they couldn't, because we're going in a wheelchair. Now, when we were first arriving, we noticed the Epcot line wasn't moving at all, so this didn't bode well for us, but as we went down Victory Way and past Caribbean Beach, we noticed that the one to Hollywood Studios was working just fine, so we headed over to Hollywood Studios so that we could pick it up there. It's kind of strange seeing the Hollywood Studios station with no walls around it, and signs indicating the Disney Skyliner. But come with us, because we're going to the back turntable. And here's where you can go from the back turntable. And to make sure we got all the video for you, we actually took 3 cameras with us. How are you today?
All right.
Thank you, kind sir.
Right up there.
Now, unlike when they're running on the standard line, cabins on the handicap line only seat 6 people. But if you don't have 6 in your party, they're not going to wait. They'll just send you on. If you're a couple, both of you will go at the same time. Maximum of 6 guests. How you doing today? Excellent.
How long does it usually take for it to get back in line?
For this?
Yeah,
So happens through every 90 seconds.
every 90 seconds?
Here and there, sometimes it's a little longer, sometimes it's a little shorter, but generally about every 90 seconds.
So do you like it?
What?
Do you like it? I'm sure you've ridden on
Oh,
it.
it's fun. Yeah, I ride it every day. I enjoy it.
Now, do you purposely park at another resort so you have to take the Skyliner over to work?
We always park at Caribbean Beach, and
Ah.
when you start working there, you gotta take it anyway.
Yeah. We're gonna ride Stitch.
Yes, you are. Well, we're gonna see.
All the way to the front for me.
All right.
Thank you, Zach. Alrighty.
There we go. I'm gonna put us in front of this purple one. I was wondering if it was gonna put us in front of this purple one. Alright. Hopefully the seat's ventilated in the back. And there are lights in here.
Okay.
Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
It's difficult for me to do anything but look out the side, or look out the sides, because you twist your head around a lot to get to the front. Oh, it's welcome.
Did you know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
The worst part is the part that feels the shakiest, the part where it's the safest. These are the tallest towers in this room.
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly. All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
There's the rapid descent.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
I'm assuming this is the speed for disembarking. So we're off the cable. Ta-da! Thank you very much. Go ahead.
I know that was, I stuttered a lot. Do we know where we're heading next?
Probably just back to Hollywood Studios, but want to look around, check it all out.
Well, if you're interested, we do have a Joffrey's just outside the station down the ramp.
All right.
So if you want to hit that up, other than that, you can just have a look around. Enjoy the station.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now, at my age, there's only one thing I want to see after I complete a trip. So, while Gene checked out the arriving and departing gondolas, I went to check out the restroom. one thing Disney did do when they put all the new stations in, they made sure they put restrooms at all of them. And they're about as nice as you'd suspect for a brand new restroom that's completely handicap accessible. There is a Sharps drop bucket, and for some reason they put in another changing table inside the handicap stall. And outside I met Alice, the security officer. And because she works security, I won't be showing her face.
Nah, just checking out how the loading procedures are. This one was stopped an awful lot earlier.
I was on the highest point when it did that.
I don't think the highest point would bother me as much as the part right over Buena Vista. I think at that point I'd be going, no, I don't want to be here.
From here we had to make up our minds as to whether we wanted to follow the Pop Century line that came in from the south, or whether we wanted to turn around and hit up the Epcot line that went to the north. And our minds were kind of made up for us because, well, the Epcot line went down yet again. Now, Alice did tell me that on the Epcot line, if you're not getting off at Riviera Beach, you can just stay on the gondola. You don't have to transfer when you get there. So, taking everything into consideration, we decided just to head back to Hollywood Studios.
Get out here. Hi, how you doing? Good.
Alright, you were good to get up and exit out of the cab.
Thank you.
Now, I will admit, when we went on Tuesday, there was a bit of a breeze, but it was kind of like being in a boat. You just had to get used to a little bit of rocking. And I did see a couple of guys running around with their Doppelmayr polo shirts on, so I guess they don't have all the kinks worked out of the system yet. But I guess when it's up to 100%, it'll be a pretty good means of transportation between the parks and the resorts. And I'm looking forward to using it in the future. So if you've ridden a Disney Skyliner or any one of Doppelmayr's other gondola systems around the world, let me know in the comments below. And by the way, the retired firefighter in me made me look for the first aid kit and the emergency button on the gondolas. Yep, they got them. Emmy's out for her morning constitutional, but she'll check for your likes and comments as soon as she gets back in the house. And if you like this video, why don't you give it a big thumbs up? That way all of the internet will know that you really like what we do. And if you like us, why don't you head on over to Patreon and become a patron of this page? Just go to patreon.com/asbobseesit. And if you like us, why don't you consider subscribing to the page? It's free. All you have to do is smash that red subscribe button down at the bottom. And remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.